back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Zoom to Calendly for auto links. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your Zoom to Calendly, all you gotta do is simply log in into your Calendly account. So once you log in into your Calendly account, all you gotta do is simply navigate to the integrations and apps section from top or side menu. So you can simply find this option once you get started or simply logged in. So as you can see, you have your integration and apps section. Here you can simply find Zoom. Simply tap on Zoom and simply select the integration called Connect Zoom for my organization. Once this is done, you will be able to click the Connect Zoom or Install button and you will be redirected to your Zoom's website. So you can simply connect Zoom and sign in into your Zoom account and authorize Calendly to access your account. You will be redirected back to Calendly and the integration will be activated. So this is how you can connect Zoom to Calendly for auto links. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.